Hello, Sairam students. Okay, now students, in the last few classes, we have been learning how to find the perimeter of an area, rectangle and square. So today, let us continue with our subject, mathematics. And today we will learn how to solve some word problems on perimeter and area. And also we'll be learning and also we'll be solving sums of exercise 13.3. Yes, so be ready with your notebooks, children. Okay, so before we start, let us start with an example. Okay, the first example here is Honey wishes to tile the floor of her drawing room, which is 400 centimeter long and 250 centimeter wide. If the area of each tile is 200 centimeters square, how many tiles will Honey require? If each tile costs rupees 32, how much will Honey have to pay? Okay, now here you have to first find how many tiles will be required by Honey for her drawing room, and then you also have to find what will be the total cost she has to pay for the tiles. So before that, we'll find the area of the drawing room. Now, area of the tile is already given to you, that is 200 centimeter. Yes, so let us first find the area of her drawing room. Now to find the area of her drawing room, we'll multiply, that is length into breadth, which is already given. Now the length of the drawing room is 400 centimeter and the breadth is 250 centimeter. Now to find the area, we will multiply length into breadth, which is 400 into 250. That will be around 1 lakh centimeter square. Okay. Now area of the tile is also given. So to find out how many tiles will Honey require, what we have to do is we will divide the area of the floor by area of one tile. Now here the solution is given here. Okay. Now see here, area of one tile which is already given, that is 200 centimeters square. So after that, length of the floor was given, breadth of the floor was given. So area of the floor we had to find, that is length into breadth, which is 400 into 250, which comes to 1 lakh centimeter square. Now 1 lakh centimeter square is the area of the floor. Now to find out how the number of tiles required, we have to divide the area of floor divided by area of one tile. So 1 lakh divided by 200. So the two zeros will get cancelled. So 1000 divided by 2 will give you 500. So 500 is the number of tiles required to tile the floor. Now the next question what we have to find out is the total cost what the Honey has to bear or has to pay. Now the cost of one tile is given, that is rupees 32, and 500 tiles are required. So to find that cost of 500 tiles, we'll multiply 32 into 500, which is 16,000 rupees. Okay. So Honey will have to pay 16,000 to tile the entire floor of her drawing room. Yes. So now let us start with our exercise sums 13.3. Okay. The first sum here is, this exercise sums you have to you have to solve it in your maths notebook. Now the first sum is the area of a poster is 15 meters square. If the poster is 5 meter long, how wide is it? Wide means you have to find the breadth. Now the area is given. To find the breadth, we will divide, that is breadth is equal to area is given upon length. Okay, area is given, area is 15 meters square and length is 5 meter. Now when you divide 15 by 5, you get the answer as 3 meter. 5 threes is 15. Yes, the solution to this question is done here. Area of poster, which is 15 meters square. Length of the poster is 5 meter. Width, or you can say as it also has breadth of a rectangle is, that is 15 is the area. So area divided by length, which is 15 divided by 5, which is 3 meter. So the breadth of a poster is 3 meters. Okay. Coming to the next sum. Okay. Now here the perimeter of a square painting is 8 meter. We have to find the how long is its each side. Okay. Now perimeter is already given. Now perimeter is nothing but 4 times 4 into side. Now here we have to find the side. So we will divide this perimeter to find the side of it. That is perimeter is 4 into side, that is equal to 8. Now perimeter 8 is given. Yes, you have to find the side. So you will divide this 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2 meter. So the length of each side is 2 meter. Just see the solution in this slide. Perimeter of a square is given, that is 8 meter. Now perimeter is nothing but 4 into side. So to find the side, we will divide perimeter, that is 8 divided by 4, which is 2 meters. So the side of a square or each side measures 2 meters. Okay, let us move on to the next sum. That is, the perimeter of a square cardboard is 24 centimeter. What is its area? Now here the perimeter of a square is given and you have to find the area. Now to find the area of a square, it is side multiplied by side. So first we have to find the side of a square. So to find the side of a square, it is perimeter upon 4. That is perimeter divided by 4, because all the 4 sides of a square are equal. So that is equal to 24 upon 4. Now 6 times is 24. When you divide 24 by 4, you'll get 6 centimeter as a side. So the side of a square is 6 centimeter. So now to find the area, it is side into side. So as we have found the side is 6 centimeter, that is 6 into 6, that is equal to 36 centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay. So just go through the solution here. Okay. The perimeter of a square cardboard is 24 centimeter. So first we'll find the side of a square, which is perimeter divided by 4, the number of sides. So 24 divided by 4 will give you 6 centimeter. Now 6 is the side length of each side. So to find the area, it is side multiplied by side, that is 6 into 6, that is 36 square centimeter. So always when you are writing the area, it should always be written as square centimeter or meter, whatever the unit is given. Okay, let us move on to the next sum, that is the sixth one. A tile is 15 centimeter long and 10 centimeter wide. The 4 walls of the kitchen need to be tiled. If the length and breadth of each wall is 440 centimeter and 750 centimeter, how many tiles will be required to tile the entire kitchen? Now students, to find out the number of tiles required to tile the entire kitchen, first we need to find the tiles required for one wall, and then we can find for the entire kitchen. Now the length and breadth of a tile is given. So first let us find the area of a tile. Now to find the area of a tile, it is length into breadth, length into breadth, that is equal to 15 into 10, that is equal to 150 centimeter square. Okay, this is we have found the area of a tile. Now the length and breadth of each wall is also given. So let us also find the area of the wall, that is area of the wall. Now to find the area of the wall, again that is length into breadth, that is equal to 440 into 750, that is equal to 3,30,000 square centimeter or centimeter square. Now we have found the area of the wall as well as we have found the area of each tile. Now to find the number of tiles required to tile the entire kitchen, first let us find the tiles required for one wall. To find out the number of tiles required for the one wall, that is we will divide, that is area of the wall divided by the area of each tile, which we have already found. Okay. When we divide the area of the wall divided by the area of each tile, we get the number of tiles required to tile one wall. Okay. I'll just show you the solution here. Okay. Just see here, the length of a tile is given, breadth is given. We have found the area of the tile, that is 150 square centimeter. Then we have found the area of a wall, that is 3,30,000 square centimeter. Now, next is number of tiles required to tile one side of the wall. We divided area of the wall divided by the area of each tile. As this 0 gets cancelled, so 33,000 divided by 15 gives you 2,200 tiles are required to tile one side of the wall. Now to find the four sides of the wall, we will multiply 4 multiplied by 2,200, that is 8,800 tiles. Okay. So what we did first was we found the area of a tile and then we found the area of the wall. Then to find the tiles required to tile, first we found the tiles required to tile one side of the wall, that is by dividing area of the wall divided by the area of each tile. Okay. Then we multiply it by 4 to find the number of tiles required to tile the four sides of the wall. So thus we got the answer as 8,800 tiles will be required to tile the entire kitchen. Okay. So read the problem sum again and again and then solve it. Just find out what are the informations given and what you need to find out. Now based on these word problems, some 3 home assignment sums for you. The first one is the perimeter of a volleyball court is 60 meter. It is 19 meter long. Find its width. The second one is the area of a rectangle is 30 square centimeter. What is the total area of 4 such rectangles? And the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 160 meter. If it is 10 meter wide, find its area. So these home assignment sums to be done on your homework part. Rest all the sums which are solved in this video to be copied in your classwork notebook. So that's all for today, children. So meet you in the next class. Till then, thank you and have a good day.